Hi dear students, now I am going to talk about volume strength of H2O2. Volume strength of H2O2. Generally, the concentration of H2O2 is expressed in terms of volume strength. The concentration of H2O2 is expressed in terms of volume strength. Volume strength like 5 volume, 10 volume, 20 volume, etc. Students, then what is mean by volume strength? For example, 5 volume H2O2 is given, or a sample of H2O2 is labeled as 5 volume. That means 1 liter of that solution of H2O2 on decomposition gives 5 liter of oxygen gas at STP conditions. For example, students, H2O2, 250 ml of H2O2 is present in a beaker. If it is labeled as a 5 volume, assume H2O2 solution is present, it is labeled as a 5 volume and the volume of this sample is 250 ml. Then we need to take the same concentration solution 1 liter, then decomposition of that solution will give us 5 liter of oxygen gas at STP. Generally, H2O2 can access both oxidizing and reducing agent in alkaline medium as well as in acidic medium. And the N factor of H2O2 is 2. N factor, also known as valency factor is equal to 2. Volume strength of H2O2 means when we take 1 liter of that solution, on complete decomposition it will give us 5 liter of O2 gas. If it is labeled as a 10 volume means 1 liter of that particular concentration solution will give us 10 liter of oxygen gas at STP. And H2O2 can access both oxidizing as well as reducing agent in both the mediums, alkaline as well as in the acidic medium. N factor or valency factor for H2O2 is 2. Dear students, N factor of H2O2 is 2. N factor is 2. Let us write the decomposition equation of H2O2. H2O2 gives rise to H2O plus half O2. Molecular weight of H2O2 is equal to 34. Oxygen O2 is 16 2s are 32 plus 2 is 34. That means when we take 1 mole of H2O2, it will give half mole of oxygen gas and decomposition. Half mole of oxygen gas and decomposition. What is the weight of 1 mole of H2O2? That is 34 grams. 34 grams of H2O2. On decomposition, it will give half mole of oxygen gas. We know at STP condition, 1 mole of any gas occupies 22.4 liters. But here 1 mole of H2O2 will give half mole of O2. So half mole of O2 is equal to 11.2 liters. Then 1 mole of H2O2 on decomposition will give 11.2 liters of oxygen gas. If it is given as some volume strength means this many liters, volume strength, whatever the volume strength it is there, this many liters of oxygen gas at STP is given by, let us assume that weight of H2O2 is W grams. 34 grams of H2O2, when decomposed it will use 11.2 liters of O2 gas at STP. Then if the volume strength, some value it is, volume strength, this many liters of O2 gas at STP is given by W grams of H2O2. Let us find out this W in terms of volume strength by doing cross multiplication, right? So 11.2 into W is 11.2 W is equal to 34 into volume strength. 34 into volume strength. From this, weight of H2O2 is equal to 34 multiplied by volume strength divided by 11.2. Then let us find out the relation between volume strength and molarity, and volume strength and normality, right? Molarity formula, molarity is equal to number of moles of solute divided by volume of the solution. Molarity M is equal to number of moles is given weight, that is weight of the H2O2 is 34 into volume strength divided by 11.2, and given weight divided by molecular weight will give us number of moles. This is the total weight of the H2O2 which is giving this many volume strength liters of O2 gas at STP. So divide by, this is a total weight of H2O2, divided by molecular weight, again it is 34. Then we know from the definition of the volume strength is the 1 liter of that solution will give this many liters of oxygen gas, right? So then volume of the solution is 1 liter. 34 will get cancelled. So we are getting that volume strength is equal to, by transferring 11.2 this side, 11.2 into molarity. Volume strength is equal to 11.2 into molarity, right? So students, we know N factor is equal to 2. Then normality is equal to molarity multiplied by N factor. Molarity multiplied by N factor. So normality is equal to M into 2 we can write, right? In this expression, in the place of M, we can write N by 2. This implies M is equal to N divided by 2. So volume strength is equal to 11.2 into M place we can substitute N by 2. Then 2 ones are 2, 5.6 times. Then volume strength is equal to 5.6 into normality. Thanks for watching.